This Yoga Nidra was filmed on the Wild Pacific Trail in Tofino, Canada. It combines the best of forest bathing and Yoga Nidra. As always, there will be an audio-only download for our members in our membership community to enjoy in their earbuds wherever and whenever they want. Thanks for pressing like before you listen, putting "The Rainforest Heals Me" in the comments, and subscribe to let me know if you would like more of these forest bathing and Yoga Nidra fusions. Imagine yourself bathing in a rainforest, unburdened by expectation. What position is most fitting and comfortable for your body at this time? The forest can tend to be cool, and you may want to have extra layers in the shelter of the trees. You carry the rainforest inside of you. Through this healing forest bathing Yoga Nidra, we can release the illusion of separation and experience our interbeing with the rainforest. The healing of the rainforest and yourself happens together. As you heal, the rainforest heals. As the rainforest heals, you heal. The relationship with the rainforest has always been reciprocal. When we breathe out, the trees breathe in. Each time we breathe out, our bodies relax and we offer life-giving carbon dioxide to the trees. An act of generosity. It is a symbiotic relationship. The trees in turn clean the air and offer us fresh oxygen for us to breathe in. Simply with our breathing, we are tending to the trees. As you breathe, feel the beauty and generosity of this reciprocal relationship. Turn your attention to your senses. By turning your attention to your senses, you turn down the volume of the constant stream of your inner thoughts. Focus on your connection and relationship with the stillness and slow movement of nature within you and all around you. You are not separate from nature. As you tune into your senses in this movement, you may notice that it is slower than the pace of your day-to-day life. Feel your body in this space and its connection to the earth underneath you. Notice all the parts of your body that are connected to the ground. You can even imagine you are resting on the soft forest ground. Feel the touch of air on your skin, the touch of fabric on your skin. Notice the sounds all around you and open your ears to the sounds of the forest in the recording. The sounds of the forest, including bird song, the sounds of the wind in the trees, and water moving in natural streams, are known to set us at ease. When we slow down and receive the sensory offerings of the rainforest, it is a deeply healing experience that allows us to remember who we are. The healing medicine of the rainforest is an intentional relationship. As we relax into the rainforest embrace in this Yoga Nidra, feel your connection to the rainforest and how the rainforest welcomes you. Through this healing rainforest Yoga Nidra, you may have something in particular that you wish to bring for healing to the rainforest. Perhaps you have a question that you would like to ask the rainforest for help. Perhaps you would like to clear your mind of worry. Perhaps you ask the rainforest how to bring more healing energy into your life. We are going to circulate your awareness through your body now. Let the rainforest guide you in the exact healing experience you need. There is no need for this to be precious. You will trace your awareness through the network of cells, tissues, and organs that improves the free flow of energy along the pathways of your body's well-being. Imagine this like walking through the beautiful rainforest to mobilize your own innate healing power. This free flow of energy will greatly assist your body's innate healing capacity. Become aware of your left eye, left temple, left cheekbone, left side of your neck, left collarbone, left armpit, left upper arm, left elbow crease, left lower arm, inner bend of the left wrist. Left lower arm, left elbow crease, upper arm, left armpit, left collarbone, left side of the neck, left cheekbone, left temple, left eye. Become aware of your right eye, right temple, right cheekbone, right side of the neck, right collarbone, right armpit, upper arm, elbow crease, lower arm, bend of the wrist, lower arm, elbow crease, upper arm, armpit, collarbone, right side of the neck, cheekbone, temple, and eye. Become aware of your stomach, your sternum, your pelvis, your groin, your upper leg, your knee, your lower leg, your foot, your lower leg, your knee, your upper leg, your groin, and your pelvis. Become aware of your left groin, your left upper leg, your left knee, your left lower leg, your left foot, your left lower leg, knee, left lower leg, groin, pelvis, stomach, and sternum. And then feel your breath at the hollow of your throat. Notice your breath in your heart center. Notice your breath in the hollow of your armpits. Breathe into your belly. And drop the awareness of your breath down deep into your groin. And all the way down into your legs. Trees have the opposite qualities of rootedness in the earth and expansiveness as they grow up towards the sun. Trees in the forest have these opposite qualities of rootedness in the forest ground and expansiveness as they reach up towards the sun. If you're willing, feel the sensations of rootedness in your body and let that feeling of rootedness grow and amplify. And when you feel ready, open your awareness to the sensation of expansiveness. And bring your awareness back to the feelings of rootedness in your body. And then feel both rootedness and expansion simultaneously. And without overthinking, without thinking, open to the experience of rootedness and expansion dissolving into each other. Open to the presence that is always already here, that is often so easy to connect with in the rainforest. Soak deeply in this conscious rest, where there is nothing to do, nothing to accomplish, nothing to complete, nothing you need to get, nothing you need to know, and nowhere you need to be. Slowly, gently, and easily begin to transition from this place of conscious healing, relaxation in the rainforest. Gradually open and close your eyes a few times. Sense and observe this healing space. Acknowledge receiving the healing power of the rainforest. Recall your intention to heal or receive an answer to your question. Allow yourself to find ease in the present moment and the healing rejuvenation of the forest. Consider the gifts you have received from the rainforest. Invite them into your deepest awareness, knowing they are alive within you and by extension all beings. May this time in communion with the rainforest offer healing to yourself, to the rainforest, and to all living beings.